Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam won't log in with correct email and password. First, we're going to check if Steam servers are working. Let's go open up our browser and go to the site steamstat.us. From here, make sure that all components of Steam are operational, and if it is down, that might be the reason that you cannot log in. But if everything looks okay, we have to go to the next step, which is to search for settings. From here, let's go to time and language and make sure that set time zone automatically is turned on. So click on this one, set time automatically. After that, let's go to the home page of the settings and let's open up network and the internet. From the left side, select VPN. And make sure that you are disconnected to your VPN and try logging in again. If those did not work, next thing is to launch Steam by searching for it. We right click on it and click on Run as Administrator and see if that works for you when logging in. Also, make sure that you sign in with your account username and not your email address. Type in your password and just click on sign in and see if that works for you. If not, the next thing is to search for Windows Defender and let's open up Windows Defender Firewall. From here, click on allow an app or feature from the options at the left. Click on change settings at the top right part and let's look for Steam on this list. It is in here for me. If it's in your list as well, make sure that both private and public is ticked. If the Steam app is not on your list, click on allow another app right here at the bottom part. Click on browse. And if you're not sure where your Steam is located, you can right click on it on your desktop shortcut and click on open file location. After that, you have to click on this address section, hit Ctrl+C. Let's go back to the other window. Click on the address section again, hit Ctrl+V and hit enter. Scroll down and click on steam.exe and hit open and click on add. And again, make sure that both private and public is checked. Once you've done that, you can try logging in again and see if that now works for you. If not, the next thing is to search for run. Let's open this. And what we're going to type in is percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. And from here, we are going to look for a Steam folder. It is in here for me. And we are going to delete this folder. But before we do that, you have to go ahead and close the Steam app. Right click on the Steam folder, click on delete, and this will allow us to delete temporary files, which can help with solving the problem. The last step would be to search for programs and click on add or remove programs from here. And we are going to look for Steam on this list. And what we're going to do is to uninstall Steam and reinstall it again by opening up your browser and go to store.steampowered.com to install the Steam app from the official website. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.